Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change password on Webull application using your mobile device. To change password on your Webull account, first of all, open Webull app on your Android or iOS device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in the home page, tap on the menu button at the bottom right corner and you will be able to see the settings option under shortcuts. Tap on it and then under settings, tap on account and security. Go ahead and tap on change login password under account and security and then enter your login password. You'll need to enter your current login password and click on next. On the next page, you will be able to see that you can enter a new password. Type in the new password you want to change to, re-enter the new password in the next field once again, and finally click on next. You have successfully changed your password now. Your Webull password is updated and your account is more secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.